Conditionals for evaluating true and false in a Python list comprehension. In Python you can take an array like and then run the following list comprehension to evaluate true for elements based on a conditional. However, this only returns true values for elements that are above 3, so we get I know we can use multi-line approaches for this, but is there a way to just expand the conditional statement here to keep it on one line in this form, and return false if the condition is not met? In the end, I'd like this to return the following for above.
Just move the condition from the filter to the expression.
Use a ternary operator.
If you want to hear